Saturday, July 7th, my day magically freed up, and it's the first day we've had that isn't over 90 in quite a while. I need to get this fuel pressure regulator in the truck, so that's my goal for today. I'm not doing it step by step because I don't really know what I'm doing, but I got the directions. Also, my dad's a mechanic for GM, and he's pretty damn good at what he does. GM gives incentives for scoring high on tests, so the garage acquired some new tools courtesy of GM. Oh yeah, that works. Let's get the truck in here. If you watched my last video, or videos back, whatever, you saw me drop my light and break it. It broke out 3 LEDs. I'm wondering if I just bridge those and complete the circuit, if it'll work again. So that's what I want to give a shot. Looking like a no-go. There's a trot. Alright, let's get going on the truck. That's fucking aggravating.
Smart.com and start enjoying free 2-day shipping.
This is a whole lot of work for one small piece. Look at that guy. Yummy. This sucks. I'd much rather be in the trees. I'm getting there.
Come on. All full of shit. Damn it. No, you better not be stripped out. I will seriously smash something. Aye. God damn it.
Gotta make it work. Gotta plug it in.
It's fucking stripped. God damn it. Fuck. Last fucking bolt. Ah! Oh, come on. Fucking what are you listening to? Nope, it's completely fucked. Shit.
Finally broke it. And from a trick I learned on YouTube, actually. Cover your bit in valve grinding compound, and it makes it grab really well. I've only been fighting this for about an hour and a half now. It's like 6 o'clock. I've been out here for like 7 hours already, and not even put it back together. So of course I had to go to the hardware store to get a new fastener. So it's now 8 o'clock and it's still going on. And because I have no willpower, I bought a new light. This doesn't look like 60 inches to me. So I'll have to change this up a bit. Much better. Yeah. Alright, finally. Now I can start putting it all back together. Yay. It's 1 o'clock in the morning. I'm sick of the trees. Taco Bell. So back at my dentist's house where I shot the Sorry Squirrel video at a pretty decent sized removal. And it's looking like we'll be doing the one next to it, but that's not today. We're gonna get this one cleaned up first. This one. 50 plus inch DBH. It's a big tree and hate to see them go, but they look like they're on the decline. So it's got some nice forward weight. It'll go right where we want it to. It's got some left side weight. Shoot this gap on the left side. Trying to go in between these two small trees, which are expendable. We're going to try to protect that medium one right there for shade. Wow, I love that. It went over a little faster than I thought it would. So I got that tree all bucked up. Mark's going to start moving it, and swung by my aunt and uncle's place. My cousin has their graduation party today, so I stopped, said hi, and then on the drive home, I was driving past this guy. Decided to stop and take a gander. That's the tree I fell from. All kinds of dead. Is what it is. Back at the garage, got a lot of work I need to do, but I gotta clean first because, yeah, it's a pretty big fucking mess. I'm not gonna clean itself. So, the tree I did today was at a family friend's house, and he was cleaning out his garage and gave me a few things. Yeah? That's freaking awesome. I don't know anything about it, but it's cool as hell. Still will be going on the wall. And he bought a BR600 backpack blower, so he gave me his EG85. So that's cool. I doubt it runs, probably needs a carb rebuild. Let's give it a shot. Yeah, it's varnished. Picked up a few things from my dealer the other day. New drive gear for the oil pump on the 260 I rebuilt. Oh yeah. Sorry. Missed some. Well, not as bad as I was thinking, but got a new one. Fuck it. About 11.5. I'm gonna work on some other things, but I think I'm done. So, have a good one, humans.